Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about the few things that I've seen that hold many traders back, and I did one or two of these things when I also started trading. I've since learned from them. These are things that you probably shouldn't do if you are still doing them. Hopefully you can actually grow as a trader and you can move forward as a trader. And sometimes people don't even also realize that they are doing these things. So let's talk about it in this video. Leave your thoughts also in the comment section below, and also watch the video until the end. I'm going to try and give you some value with the video. By the way, some people ask me always about the brokers that I use. For 5 years now, I've used the 3 brokers that are in the description box below. Go and check them out. You can just deposit your $10 and you can start trading a real life trading account. And if you've tested your strategy, you've tested your psychology, you've tested everything, then you can go ahead and reinvest a huge amount of capital. So sign up with the brokers. The links are in the description box below. Now getting back to our video, the things that I've seen holding back most traders, and I was guilty of some of these things also when I started trading. Number one, let's look at trading as a way of trying to cope with personal issues. Some people actually don't realize this, and I might have done this also at the beginning. There are traders who are turning to forex markets, stock markets, binary options, whatever instruments that people trade out there, as a coping mechanism for what? For personal problems. For instance, somebody is struggling in their relationships with their girlfriend, with their wife, with their boyfriend, with their husband, or somebody is struggling at work. Things are not really working out at work with their bosses, with their team, or some other life issues. And people try to console themselves or comfort themselves and escape those issues by going to the forex or stock markets and trade as a way of trying to cope with those issues. Bad idea. Trust me, it's a bad idea, because you are entering the markets with a compromised mental state, which often leads to poor decision making in the markets. If you're having challenges with your girlfriend or boyfriend, or at work, or anywhere in your life, I think rather find hobbies and activities outside of trading that you can do to get those burdens off your shoulders. Some people do running, some people do soccer, some people do gardening, some people do a whole lot of other things that you can do out there just to try and balance yourself before you come into the markets. Because when you come into the markets with an unbalanced mental state, those things, trust me, they are going to spill over into your decision making in your trading, and you will lose a lot of money. You might have a good trading strategy, you might have a good broker, you might have a good trading system, you might have everything working in your favor, but because you've got issues that you are bringing into your trading that are outside of trading, trust me, you will not grow as a trader. You will lose money as a trader. Number 2, and I was also guilty of this when I started trading back in the day, getting frustrated to the point of re-entering trades. How often has it happened to you? I just want you to be honest yourself. How often has it happened to you that you enter a trade and you are in profit, everything is good, then you close the trade? But when you close the trade, you realize the market is still moving further into your direction. You closed out of the trade too early. Now you're frustrated because what? You close out your trade and you feel you left a lot of money on the table. Now the instincts of many people, and I used to do this as well, is to what? To rush in and jump in and try to re-enter the trade so that what? You can capture that lost money that you feel you lost. Unfortunately, when you do that, you are now re-entering your trades at the most unfavorable position. And usually when what happens is the market will turn against you. So I think the first thing is, as a trader, you should concentrate on your trading strategy and allow the market to naturally unfold, either hits your trailing stop or hits your take profit. That's it. And I also think the second thing is you also need to psychologically prepare yourself in the markets. The market is always going to be there. There are always going to be opportunities there. If you miss a market movement, don't try to chase the market. Wait for an opportunity. Trust me, the market has been doing this over and over and over again. Today there is always a new opportunity. So don't try to chase trades. Don't try to chase the markets. It usually only leads to one dead end. You blow your account, or you don't grow or your account the way you want to grow it. You make some wins, you make some losses. You're making some wins, you only want to trade when your setup is there, rather than force positions or trying to take more risk by re-entering the market because you feel you were left behind and you left some money on the table. Don't chase trades, guys. Don't re-enter trades, guys. Very, very risky. It's only going to lead to a lot of frustration. Trust me, I've done this before and I've since learned from it. I think the last point, I don't want to make this video too long, is that you want to stop this thing of rushing to revenge the markets. What many traders do is, for example, they've had a losing streak. Guys, every trader will have a losing streak. There's nothing special about losing in the markets. Despite what people want to make you believe, what social media wants you to believe, people do also have losing streaks, or they do also lose money in the markets. But what distinguishes a winning trader from a losing trader is when somebody takes a loss like me. It's fine. What I just look at is, what did I do wrong, what to do better next time. Then I stay out of the market. I wait for my next trading setup. But what some people do is, the moment the market takes their money, they quickly run and redeposit trading capital and try and revenge the market because they are so angry. They feel they are so intelligent. Why did this happen? Something might have happened, so they quickly want to revenge the market. Somebody lost an account on Friday. You find them, they are waiting early on Sunday or Monday morning for the market to open so that they can quickly go back into the markets and try and recover their money. You need to avoid rushing your trades. Again, it's advisable that you, especially most of the times, I try avoid trading on Mondays because things might have happened on Friday. I have to let it go. Learn to let things go. So don't rush to want to rush back into the markets, and sometimes you haven't even discovered why you lost money. You want to rush back into the market, redeposit, and get your money back. usually you blow that second deposit again. So what you want to do is, when you lose some money, you lose your account, you blow your account, not a big deal. It's a big deal, not a big deal, depending on how you see it. Try and cool off first. What I usually do is, after blowing an account, I go for a walk, I go into something else. I'm into gaming, I'm into my businesses, I do websites, I can forget about the market for a week. I'll be focusing just on my businesses, doing things with my clients and things like that. Or you can take a walk, just walk around, go to see go and see the birds out there, the fresh air out there. Don't rush to redeposit so that you can re-enter and revenge the markets. It's not going to take you anywhere. You have to be patient and disciplined if you are going to make money in the markets. So guys, I hope I've helped somebody with these few points. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.